Of course, now you can do it a little bit better.
Dann kann man es ein bisschen besser
This way.
machen.
Forse può fare un po' migliore.
So this is from Q.
Das ist noch ordentlich.
So you go like this.
Bitte?
Can you see this one?
Nimm die Hand,
And your whole body turn.
der ganze Körper dreht.
Because your body turn, and this one grab. This one is not pull.
Den Ellbogen
It's
nicht
not
ziehen.
pull. It's
Kein
push.
Ziehen, das ist mehr ein
Don't make a mistake. This is push, not pull.
Non tirare, ma
Because if you pull, then he can give you an elbow.
Dann kann er rein mit dem Ellbogen.
So if you push,
Wenn du drückst,
so his arm is locked.
ist der Arm verriegelt.
Okay, so this is always the problem because you pull, then people can give you an elbow.
Wenn ihr zieht, dann kann
So
man
this
den
is why.
Ellbogen geben.
Now look at me. Yes, push. From jump kill, and now boom. Turn him, boom, and then so make him totally lose his balance.
Er soll sein Gleichgewicht nach vorne verlieren, ne?
Once he fall,
l'equilibrio.
once he falls sideways, you can go forward.
Fällt er seitlich nach vorne und dann kannst du
You can
reingehen.
go in.
Il caso unilaterale,
Look at this hand.
Schau diese Hand an.
usare questa mano.
He is very much like
Das, ne? Komm mal. So gleiten zu.
okay.
Si scivola su.
Actually, you don't grapple his hand. You know, the problem of most of people is they pull and they grapple.
Und dann greif, halt sie
But
beide.
when they go, then your partner will fall your force because you grapple
Ziehen
and
und halten
pull.
und halten
And
fest.
this is why you can never do it.
Die halten
Che
fest.
sono molti sperano.
But if you do like,
Wenn ihr es richtig macht,
see, now you push.
ihr drückt.
So, see, your hand is like the trap. Slide in,
Rutscht hoch.
Scivola dentro.
Rutscht hoch.
okay?
Scivola dentro.
But if you pull, and then he can have a space. Okay?
Er zieht, hat er Platz.
So this is why you have to pay attention to this movement. Boom. This one is not important. This is more
Das
important.
Wichtigste dafür
Because this one
linke Hand.
is when he is falling
La
down,
cosa
Gibt
importante.
euch
you
da
help him a little bit.
die Möglichkeit reinzukommen.
Okay, the Chinese have a saying. When some people fall into the well,
Wenn jemand in den Brunnen
you
fällt,
give him a stone.
Tu cade
gib ihm noch
in
einen Stein dazu.
aggiungere una pietra in più.
When somebody fall into the well, you give him a rock.
Das hat Nietzsche auch gesagt, wenn einer stolpert, muss man ihn noch schubsen.
Now you help him a little bit. Help him to fall better.
Wir wollen besser zu fahren.
Okay?
Kein Mitleid, ne?
Okay, so this is why, now look. And also pay attention to the force.
Achtet auch auf
From
die
here
Kraft.
to here.
Von dort nach dort.
Now, this is the way. That's why you can make him fall.
Dadurch fällt er.
Now, this one, he's already there, right? And now here, look at this one. But if you do it here,
Wenn es da
no
macht,
chance. He can change.
da kommt er raus.
Any question?
Domande?
No? Practice, 5 minutes.
Also,